Hi guys, welcome back to another day in the life of an Etsy shop owner. You guys seem to love these videos and they're pretty easy for me to film, and I love taking you through my day, so I figured I would film another one for you guys. And of course, I'm starting off by showing you my tea and then my breakfast, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and this is just how I kickstart my day, get in the zone, ready to make those stickers. Before I get into showing you the sticker part of the video, if you guys have any questions that you want answered, I'd love to do a Q&A video for you guys about Etsy stuff or sticker shop stuff. So leave in the comments below if you have any questions you'd like me to answer in a future video. So this week I have a big sale going on Friday, and I wanted to get up the January monthly kits. So I'm actually changing up my kit layout, as you guys will see in this clip. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. Basically, I am just rearranging everything. I'm changing colors. I'm making it a January kit. Pretty self-explanatory. I know a lot of you guys want to see a designing video, and I promise they are coming. I just found a software that I like the quality when it captures the screen, so I will be doing design with me videos. I know a lot of people are saying you can use QuickTime on the Mac, but I tried that and I hated the quality, so I have actually found a really nice program, so I'm going to be using that and get those design videos up for you guys very soon. So leave requests down below for which stickers you want to see me design. So here I'm showing you guys the finished product. I'm really excited about these new monthly kit layouts, you guys. I'm really excited. Next, I moved on to the weekly kits. The weekly kits are a little bit easier because I like the format, so I didn't need to reformat or anything. I just went in and changed colors and patterns to make it the New Year's Eve kit. So that's what I'm doing here. And then once I finished with that, I moved everything over into Photoshop, and I am going to work on the photo listings. You guys have said you wanted to see this process, so I would be happy to do a more in-depth video, especially now that I have a good screen recording program, because I want it to be the best quality if I'm teaching you something, whereas these vlogs are more just I'm kind of showing you, but you don't really need to see necessarily the things I'm clicking on. Whereas in a tutorial you would. So I wanted to make sure I had the best quality screen recording program, so that way you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So with all that being said, if you guys want to see how I do my listing photos, let me know in the comments below, and I would be happy to make a video on that. After I've done the listing photos, I then go make a draft on Etsy. You guys may recall I said I was off of Etsy in my last video, but I'm currently back on just through the holiday season, and the only thing that you can get on Etsy are the kits, no single sheets, just to let you guys know. But I am doing a draft listing, so that way everything's ready to go on Thursday when I release all of these things. And to wrap up my day, I had one more order to finish. I did all of my orders on Monday. That's why you didn't see any of that in this video. But I did have one left over, so I went ahead and cut the last few sheets, packaged it up, and got it ready to go to the post office. So that is it for this day in the life video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in seeing more behind the scenes of Etsy shop life. It's different every single day, so yeah. Expect different kinds of videos all the time. Don't forget to leave in the comments below requests for different things you want to see on this channel, different videos, whatever. Just talk to me in the comments. I love chatting with you guys. So that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.